Ko te ingoa o te kēmu nei ko wai, nā karina Kelly I mahi te kēmu nei. This game is really helpful for our students and for Te Wiki o Te Reo because you can play it with a range of reo. So if you're completely fluent, you can play this game with Te Reo Māori the whole time. If you're new to Te Reo, you can try and use the limited reo that you have, but there's also helpful lists of kupu awhina. So the people that are playing have a mixture of reo, but they're still able to play the same game. And it's just trying to promote using te reo in a more, I guess, everyday sense. So when we play games, thinking of ways that we can incorporate just basic reo.
Our final speaker within the He Taonga Te Reo seminar series will be Dr. Te Kani Kingi, who will be joining us from Massey University to discuss how Te Reo Māori is related to mental health.
We did an overview of Māori health right back from when New Zealand was colonised right through till today. The premise of that was that initially Māori health was quite good, but through colonisation and through like things as diseases and other introduced things, Māori health worsened until today, where mental health is quite prevalent, and mental illness is a quite a negative aspect of the Māori culture today.
I learned that the numbers on pathology for Māori are much higher than I would have thought. I learned a lot more about the history, some things of which I was unaware. It kind of reaffirmed my own feelings about the importance of cultural maintenance for mental health and well-being.
And we also learned about the importance of Te Reo Māori in assessment and treatment and also outcome with Māori mental health. Myself, I'm personally quite passionate about Māori mental illness and Māori mental health, and this is where I'd like to take my psychology, and so I found it all extremely relevant and very, very interesting, and the speaker was very captivating, so it was very enjoyable.
It was very, very relevant for me because it's very close to my own thesis research. It did give me more information, so I would say I have a more informed opinion, especially regarding language, the place of language in a treatment process.
Our final event is Ngā Manu Tīoriori, which will be an open mic session where artists are able to perform items that include Māori language or any other minority language.
And that's an opportunity for our performers to come and showcase themselves. We're hoping to profile not only Te Reo Māori speakers and using Te Reo Māori in performance, but also particularly our Pacifica whanaunga, an opportunity for them to showcase their reo as well, because we're more than aware that they don't really get given this sort of space and privilege to whakanui their reo or to celebrate their language. And also anyone else who wants to come and showcase their language through performance, and I'm sure you can imagine it'll be a great celebration to mark the end of the week.
Which event are you most looking forward to?
I'm not going to lie, the poor whakangāhau at kaupapa, whakanui the kaupapa.